Awesome.
We are live. What's happening?
Hello.
Will and
Veronica real estate team.
saying hello to the Facebook land. I hope you
Yes.
guys enjoyed the Super Bowl, enjoyed your weekend. We had an awesome weekend, right?
And I won because I was going for Kansas City.
She
And
beat
this
me.
guy thought San Francisco was going to win.
She's
So
paying lunch
$50
today.
for me.
That's it.
Talking
And-
about $50, we
we got one view so far.
had an awesome day. Daniel Flores.
What's up, Daniel?
What's up?
Thanks for watching.
We had a awesome open house over at 95 Green Street in Wakefield.
Single family house.
Single family home, 3 beds, 1 bath. And we had an awesome turnout. 30 parties came through on Saturday. And
25 people came on Sunday.
yes,
So
so
that's
as
55 plus.
that's 55 plus people. So as part of our open houses, we offer 2 gift cards, $50 for Amazon and $50 for Starbucks.
So anybody
Thanks.
that signed in, came to the house, they automatically were enrolled into a raffle of
Right.
$50, two $50 gift cards.
That's right.
So we said, what better way to do it than to announce it, the winners on Facebook Live?
Right, and
Right.
thank you to Elizabeth Barlera, by the way, for sponsoring our gift
She
cards.
is the woman.
She's
Right.
awesome. So we're doing the raffle right now. We have all the names.
Liz
of-
Barletta with,
Ligris.
that's right.
She's our attorney.
I had to do a little plug for her.
So we did our signing sheets, and we have all the names in here.
And we told all the buyers that we are going to announce it through Facebook Live. So we're holding up to that. Yep. So we're going to pull the winners.
So William is gonna pick an
I'm gonna
lucky
pick it.
winner
Woo!
for the first gift card. This is gonna be for the Amazon $50 gift card.
Yep.
William.
And I actually put my own name inside there. So I can win
No,
my
he
$50
didn't.
back. Yep, yep, yep.
I'm the ref here.
Okay,
You didn't put
yeah.
anything. Okay.
Let me
I'm
see.
gonna open it.
Oh, you're gonna open it.
I'm gonna
Okay.
open
Okay.
it.
Figured I'd
So
try.
the
to
lucky
open
winner is Lisa Grieco.
it. Ooh.
Lisa Grieco.
So which one did she win?
She won the $50 Amazon gift card.
Awesome.
So we're gonna
Congrats,
be calling.
Lisa.
We're gonna be calling Lisa after we hang up.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do the $50 Starbucks
You wanna pick
card.
it up?
I'm gonna pick it up.
Okay. So pick it out.
Okay. And we got. You can open it. You can read
That
it.
is William Vaccarano.
No,
Woo!
that's
No,
not
just-
William Vaccarano.
No, that one says Alyssa. That's it.
Alyssa. So
Yeah, it is.
Alyssa
Okay.
is the second winner for the $50 Starbucks gift card.
Awesome.
So we're gonna be giving her a call, giving both of them a call, and letting them know that they can come and pick it up.
Awesome. And we got another house hitting the market this week. That's a 3-family house in Rosendale. What's the address on that one?
392 Beach Street,
It's an awesome
Rosendale.
property. Yeah,
We
yeah.
got 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and it's gonna hit the market probably tomorrow morning. So stay tuned.
Let us know if you know anybody looking for an awesome property in Rosendale. Right? Cool.
Awesome.
Thanks for
Great.
watching, guys.
Thank
Again,
you.
William and Veronica Real Estate Team. If you need help buying or selling real estate, give us a call. If you just want to find out what the value of your home is, definitely give us a shout. What's our number?
617-842-2088 and
781-420-5391. Thanks for watching,
bye bye.
guys.
Have a good day. That was awesome.
Finite.